Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushi, and if you're new to this channel, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So I'm back with a new video that is about my bag collection. So today I'll be doing my sling bag collection. So let's get started. Okay, so the first bag that I have is this black sling bag. This is what it looks from the back, and it has a chain like this. चेन भी इसके साथ इतना स्पेस है इसमें. आई डोंट लाइक वेरी बिग बैग्स, तो इतना स्पेस मिले तो सफिशिएंट होता है. एंड चेन भी ब्लैक कलर की है, तो इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स द बैग वेरी वेल. सो दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट बैग. Also, almost all my bags are thrifted, so I won't be able to provide you the links for online shopping. So, but if I find something similar, I'll put it in the description box. The next bag that I have, it is a recent edition. So this cute yellow sling bag. This is how the sling looks like. This was gifted to me by my sister on my birthday. This is how it opens up. Very classy. It has 3 compartments. One this, and the chain. It also comes with this chain, so you can make it longer if you wish to. I love this so much. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, moving forward, this is the next clutch. This beautiful muted golden color clutch. This is from the brand Lino Perros. This is what it looks from the inside. It has this golden chain to carry it as a sling. It goes very well with both my Indian and Western outfits, and it is a party wear clutch. So yeah, this is what it looks like. थोड़ी ज़्यादा आवाज़ करती, but yeah, I like it very much. Okay, so the next bag is this one. This very cute छोटू सा black statement bag. This is what it looks from the back. Front में इसमें थोड़ा shimmer detail है, which looks very classy. And this is how it opens up. Yeah. इसमें space बहुत कम है, so you cannot keep a lot of things, but it looks very good. So this was my sister's, but I loved it so much, so I stole it from her, and I styled it in one of my Insta posts. So if you don't follow me there, go and follow me, because I am very active these days on Instagram. Moving on. Okay, so the next bag is this one. This very cute pink fur bag. ये तो मुझे लिए हुए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, काफ़ी साल हो गए, but I still find it very cute. It has these plastic handles and fur. Yeah. It has this, I don't know what to call it, to close it. इसके अंदर इसे just to keep the bag in shape मैं कुछ ना कुछ रख देती हूँ कि ताकि बैग की शेप खराब ना हो. This is what it looks like. Okay, so the next bag is this peach colored bag. पीछे से ऐसा दिखता है. This has this bow detailing in the front. Yeah. इसके हैंडल्स हैं. ये तो मैंने किसी लोकल मार्केट से लिया था, बट इसकी क्वालिटी उसके प्राइस के अकॉर्डिंग भी बहुत अच्छी निकली है. इट ओपन्स अप लाइक दिस, एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ स्मॉल पाउच इन इट. दिस आप इसको अकेले भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. या इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ स्लिंग स्ट्रैप. दिस, सो यू कैन ईदर अटैच इट विद दिस वन or this bag and make these a sling. So that was a very cool and very cheap purchase. Yeah. Moving on, the next bag is this mini bag. It has very boho vibe to it. This brown colored. बहुत छोटा है size में, like this is the size of my hand. थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. This is from the brand Elegance. It has one zip, very minimal space, of course. Yeah, that's all. I like it, but I bought it a few years back, so I don't really use it that much, but yeah, I still like it. See, if you want to create a boho look, so that this bag will go very well with it. Yeah. So the next bag is this one. this blue sling. This is from the brand Lino Peros, and this bag was gifted to me by my friend last year, I believe. Okay, it has this chain to carry it as a sling, and it is very spacious. You can see, you can keep a lot of stuff in it. इसके अंदर एक छोटी सी चेन भी है यहाँ पे, and in the front यहाँ पे भी एक चेन है like this. I like the color of it. Yeah, जब मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा सामान ले जाना होता है, so I use this bag. This goes very well with your casual outfits, daily wear outfits. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Alright, time for the giveaway announcement, guys. What you have to do to win this Good Vibes Face Serum is that you have to subscribe to my channel and comment below this video that you have done, and follow me on Instagram and DM me that you have, and like this video, and that's all. You can win this serum, and I'll announce the winners in the next week in comment section of this video itself. Many more giveaways are coming, so stay connected. Bye bye and all the best. Okay, so the next bag is this powder blue sling bag. You can see, you can carry it like this as well. यहाँ पे इसके लिए हैंडल है, फिर इसकी फ्रंट डिटेलिंग गोल्ड में डिटेलिंग है, and this is what it looks from the back. It has a zipper. इसका ऐसा सा कुछ पैटर्न है, इसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, and yeah, this is how it opens. इसके अंदर ये एक स्ट्रैप दी होती है to make it sling, and it is very spacious. इसको मैंने एक मॉल पे जो शॉप्स होती हैं बैग की शॉप, वहाँ से लिया था, not some branded ones, but the quality of this bag is amazing. It's very good. I bought it last year, but it's still intact. Yeah. Okay, so the next bag is this red colored bag. ये मेरी ड्रेस से मैच कर रहा है यार. यहाँ पे इसके लीफ प्रिंट है and बैक से एकदम प्लेन है. Again, you can carry it like this, or it has this sling, golden sling. Spacious है काफ़ी. That's all. Nothing very fancy. Just a daily use bag. इसकी quality is okay. Not that great. But yeah, it's not branded, so that is justified. I didn't pay a lot of price for it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so the second last bag is this one, this very statement piece. This is what it looks from the back. This is a white colored bag. ये मेरी mom का था, but she don't use it now, so I took it, and it has this chain to carry it as a purse. As you can see, this is leather. बहुत ये ethnic wear के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आगे इस तरह से front में pocket है, and this is how it opens up. Yeah, so this is the bag. I find it very statement piece, very classy. Okay, so the last bag for today's video is this one, this very cute ऐसे red और orange flowers इसमें and golden threaded work all over. This is also to carry with your ethnic dresses. और जैसे कोई सिंपल आपकी ड्रेस है, कोई सूट वगैरह, तो उसके साथ ही बहुत अच्छा एकदम ऐसे निखर के दिखेगा ये. एंड या, दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन अप, एंड दिस इज़ द स्ट्रैप विच कम्स अलोंग, एंड ये इसमें ऐसे अंदर स्पेस है, काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. दिस इज़ वेरी बिग, यू कैन सी. या दैट्स अबाउट इट. मैंने थोड़ा टाइम पहले इसको लिया था अपनी एक सूट के साथ मैच करने के लिए. या okay, so with that we come to end of this video. If you like this video, if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below to tell me what was the most favorite bag of yours. Also, please follow me on Instagram, as I'm very active nowadays and you won't regret it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.